fish on. Big carp. Lovely. Hello. I'll get my broken net. Stop, put a bit higher up. There we go. Come on. Aim it right down there. Oh, he's got a fat head on him. Got him on some corn. Get the hook out down here. Oh, it's really in there. There's no real chance of him coming off. Might grab the pliers. Stay. Hooked himself. That's why I like these little hooks when carp fishing, because they do get them in far enough and tend to hook themselves, which is good. Whoa, whoa, okay. Don't you dare go towards that water. Not allowed to put you back. I'll grab the lip grips, I think, as well. Right there. Nice fat carp. Not the hugest thing I've ever caught, I'd say about 50 centimetres. Still another one out of the system is always good. Thought I was not going to get any bites today with this wind. I was about to give up hope, I think, but yeah, this guy keeps me going. Better than a donut, that's for sure. Nice fat head on him. I'll go put him out of his misery as required by law, and I'll continue fishing.